and today I will be showing you an easy way to make face shields. So whether you want to use it for your own protection or you want to donate it to local hospitals, this will be a great way to start helping out. Let's get started.
So first off, we need vinyl. This will be the main body of the face shield. You can usually purchase vinyl in any hardware store or online. I ordered it online and they sell it by the yard. We're going to be using a 30 gauge vinyl because it's thick enough to hold its shape and also flexible enough to bend. Next, we'll need a utility knife, ruler, and hole puncher to measure out and cut the vinyl. And we'll also need elastics to secure the face shield on a person's head. We're going to be using 1-inch thick elastics so that it's more secure. To make the face shield more comfortable, we'll need to stick foam to the forehead area of the shield. I cut out the foam pieces to be 6 inches long and 1.5 inch thick. And to cut those pieces, you need an extra sharp pair of scissors. Next, we'll need a hot glue gun to secure the foam onto the vinyl. And we're done! In case you didn't remember all that, I included a material list for you to review. Before we begin, make sure you disinfect your workspace and keep all your materials clean. So step 1 is cutting the vinyl. As I mentioned before, you can purchase vinyl by the yard. They come in big rolls, so you have to cut them to size. The face shield we are making is 9 inches wide and 9.5 inches long, which should reach way past our chin and give us plenty of protection. We'll have to mark the vinyl before we start cutting to ensure precision. Once we're done with the marking, we are ready to cut. You'll need something heavy to hold down the vinyl so it doesn't shift when you cut it. I didn't have any weights nearby, so I used chicken stock from my pantry to hold it down. After you're done cutting, the vinyl will have some sharp edges. We're going to use the scissors to bevel the corners so it doesn't poke anyone. With that all done, we are going to mark out the spots to place the holes where we will tie our elastics. I marked them a little bigger so that you can see it better on the screen. So I'm putting the holes 1.5 inches from the top of the vinyl. I discovered that if you punch the holes too high up, the bottom of the face shield rides up and doesn't protect the mouth area as well. Next, we'll be looping the elastic through the holes and tying a knot. After experimenting with different lengths, I've cut all my elastic bands to be 18 inches long. This seems to be the ideal length that's suitable for most people. Make sure to fold the elastic first so that you can loop it in easier. Pull the knots all the way towards the end of the band to maximize the use of the entire elastic strip. For our last step, we are going to cut our 1.5 inch thick foam sheet into small rectangular pieces that are 6 inches long and 1 inch wide. After you're done with those, we're going to use our hot glue gun and glue the foam onto the face shield. You want to position the foam centered in between the two holes punched out for the elastics. Make sure that there is an equal space on each side and gently push down. And we're all done.
Thank you all for watching this video. We would like to thank our doctors and medical teams out there that are saving lives. We really appreciate it. So if you like this video, share it with your family, with your friends, and let's all pitch in. Let's join the fight.